Hello, it's time for another sign of the week. This time we've got two signs this week. They're all about how we might move around a space, indoors or outdoors. If we're outside and we're enjoying the nursery garden, we might run around. So run is our first sign. We put our hands together, a bit like this, and we go run. Just use our arms to imitate running. Run. The other one is walk. So walking, if we're walking safely in our nursery, we just make a little person with two fingers on our hand and walk. You make the walking movement and you make sure the person is going forwards. Walk. We don't just do it in one place, we move. Walk. Can you try them? Run. Walk. Give them a try at home.